G'day guys, I'd like to show you a CampBoss 4x4 product. Now, I've spent a truckload of time in the bush, and there's no doubt about it, there are those certain items that I pack every time I go away. So I don't leave home without it. And one of those things is a tyre repair kit. So this thing here that I've put together is an essential tyre repair kit for when you're going off the beaten track. Now this is not designed to repair your tyre so that you can drive down the road and you don't have to buy a brand new tyre when you get home. This is designed to get you out of trouble. And a prime example would be, you've got one spare, the spare is totally destroyed, and you get another flat tyre. You got a stake in the sidewall. What are you gonna do? You can either break down and go into the fetal position and cry, or you can get the CampBoss 4x4 Tyre Repair Kit out and have a crack. So let's check it out. It consists of the reamer, the rubberized string plug, which is designed to fill the hole, the applicator, which is this thing here. It looks like a bit like a sewing needle. And of course there's some lubrication and some other bits and pieces in here that might come in handy, like a spare valve, some caps. It's even got a pair of pliers here because some of those stakes that get lodged in the sidewall or in your tyre tread can be really hard to get out. So in a couple of minutes, you can be back on the track and on your way home.